on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I am in Southern California here with Steve.
Morning, guys.
We're driving the Sequoia over to Mackin to pick up some wheels. I'm running errands in Southern California today. I'm going to visit various places and kind of show you around. But yeah, before you get that, if you do me a huge favor, go hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. Also follow our socials, links in the description below.
A few inches later.
So biggest apologies, did not get footage at Mackin, was busy talking to everybody there. If you know Steve, he has my original set of TE37s on the Sequoia. This was originally on my Xterra from back in the day. For any of you that know me, this was my very first set of TEs, which he has, and I already told him if he sells this truck, I'm buying these wheels back. So we got a couple sets of wheels in, we shipped a couple out. This way we took the Sequoia. Obviously it all doesn't fit in the XB. So a set of 18-inch TE37 SLs right here. 1810.5 plus 15, and we're gonna unbox, well, partial unbox Steve's new set of wheels.
I've been waiting for a set of these for a long time.
Yeah, it's either because of the situation we all had to live through a few years ago, these were never in stock, and let's face it, nobody wants to wait a year for those wheels because I've had to deal with it, and other people I know have to. So these were in stock, and Steve's like, and they told us at CMS, so Steve's like, screw it, I'm buying them. He has not told his girlfriend yet, so before this video comes out, don't say anything. Or leave in the comments below how much trouble you think he's going to be in.
Ooh, got some fancy stickers. Fancy volkracing stickers. Oh yeah, and we got like another set of stickers. We picked up some stickers earlier too. Look at that, guys.
Oh, OG T37 Volk.
T37 Volk stickers.
If you need any, hit us up.
Let us know if you guys want these. And these are gonna end up replacing these. This one's still good, but obviously, as you can see, the other side's missing.
Yeah, if you know anything about T37s, because of the matte finish and it has a little bit of coarseness to it, the sticker over time sort of peels. So these are replacement stickers for the wheels because Steve's had these wheels, or
yeah, they're all for the OG Series TE wheels.
Anyways, back to the new wheels that Steve has.
All right, so obviously you guys saw TE37 SLs.
Very well packaged, very well protected.
And small box. Obviously 15-inch wheels are going to be going on the Civic. Comment down below what color you guys think they're going to be. Alright, let's see. Look at all this fancy packaging.
Alright, here we go. I'll let you pull the cover off. It's your wheels. Oh, you kind of saw the barrel already. What color the barrel was. Here we go.
Ta-da!
So these... It's been waiting a very long time to get a set of these. The wheels weigh... Whoa!
Probably like 15 pounds, I'd say.
Yeah, or less.
We should get a scale and
show you how much they weigh.
And see how much they weigh.
So these are 15 by 8 plus 35, which is perfect for 100 Honda offset. So any 4-lug Honda setups, these 4x100 Honda setups, these are perfect fitment for the EK whenever we finish that project. These are gonna be the show wheels, and then he's gonna beat up other wheels at the track.
One winner later.
Just got over here to Carcode here in Walnut. This is a service and repair shop. They also have a body shop and a car wash on the other side of the plaza. Our friends here, Will, Andy, and everybody that works here, dropping in, checking out Kyle's new or ongoing project Integra. It's one of the most wild Integras that are around SoCal that's being built right now, and he's barely 16, so really excited to see how the car's coming along. He has an IG also, I will link it in the description below, but he has a really cool project with this Integra, and he's been building it since he was 14, so pretty cool. I'll show it to you in just a second. See what they have parked outside here at Carcode. Very nice Lexus. This is Andy's personal I want one, the owner of Carcode. I want one because I want one, Integra Type R with Mugen wheels. One of the employees, FD Civic, have EG here, 190E, R35 GTR. I know whose this is, but I don't want to mention his name because I don't know if he wants to be mentioned. I think this is an employee's G35. Shop van, another employee's S13 hatchback. Nice. It's got I think these are CTSV brakes. It's DA Integra, DB. Check that out. It's also turbo. BMW, and then have this S13 also on. It's like converted 3-piece OE style wheels. That's pretty cool. It's a Carcode on the main shop is a general service repair shop, but they do work on some cool stuff from time to time. A lot of general repair. If you're in the Rolling Heights area in Southern California area and you don't want to take it to a dealership, this is a shop that I recommend bringing it to. Let's go see what they have in the back. Shop's a bit messier since the last time I came here. Miata truck, Predator 300ZX. There is a R32 up here. But yeah, let me go get Kyle and then we'll check out check out his project car.
That thing's been through a lot.
Yeah, I can tell. This is, I'm guessing this is Andy's pickups. So Andy's the owner of Carcode. He has a very big passion for cars, one of the most crazy car guys I know. He picked this thing up as a project, sort of, but man, this thing's definitely seen better days. But anyways, here's Kyle. This is my friend Will's son. Met him when he was yay big, and now he's taller than me. And so this is Carcode's auto body side. This NSX here.
Right now, the minute.
Gotcha. So I believe this is Carter's car, and was at one point in time your dad's?
Yeah.
So really cool. I haven't seen this.
When it was his, I think he swapped to the O2 front end right before he sold it.
Gotcha. Yeah, I haven't seen this car in a really long time. Pretty cool. Congrats, Carter. And I'm walking over here to check out Kyle's ongoing project, which is coming out pretty nice. So here it is. Take a quick walk pan around. This has been a full restoration in the making. How long have you been working on this, Kyle? Year and a half, 2 years?
Full ownership's been like around roughly 2 years.
2 years. So he got this car when he was 14?
Yeah.
Yeah, so fully painted inside out. Let's go away from the compressor so that you can talk about it a little bit and show them, kind of do a quick walkthrough.
Inside out, it's been painted, door jambs, everything.
So yeah, Kyle's been piecing this car together over the past 2 years. It's getting really close. Last time I saw it, didn't have the interior back in yet.
Yeah, all the interior's in. I think there's just minor things like cowling.
Yeah, small stuff. Kyosho Racing is the old school car club that his dad used to be the main everything guy.
Stickers from over 20 years ago.
Yeah, nice. And then it's got the metal ITR front end. Car's looking good. And then wow, look at that. Series. Got bits and parts, I guess your dad's been porting over the years.
Some of it, a lot of the stuff is actually stuff I found. So,
oh wow, okay.
The HID headlights, I actually managed to find a set that were decently priced because they're getting really expensive now. And then I had our body shop restore them, and so far they're looking good. I think the only stuff I didn't have was the top fuel intake and the Tane EDFC and some of that stuff.
Cool. So everything's being built in a period correct feel.
Yeah.
Really cool. Yeah, so coming along. Obviously not done yet, but getting real close. I know you've been waiting for this for a long time.
I've been wanting to drive it for a long time.
Yeah.
Because I didn't even have my license when I got it. So.
Yeah. Yep. So that's pretty wild for a 14-year-old kid to be like, I'm gonna build a car, and has gotten this far with it.
I mean, it runs, it drives. The only thing left is kind of, I just want to finish up all the minor things before I drive it.
Yeah, he wants to make it absolutely exactly what he wants.
Yeah,
but
perfect.
yeah, looking good, man. really happy to see you take it this far. Really nice.
I don't even think the Power Neo actually like, you know, does much.
Yeah. It's all the stuff,
cool, you know.
It's all the stuff your dad used to sell and bring in, and yeah, really cool. A lot of, yeah, no, it's looking good, man. Engine bay is all painted.
What's crazy is the gear ratio on this is super short.
So not good for freeway driving.
No,
what transmission are you using?
So it's a GSR, I believe, rebuilt transmission, but the gearing feels a little bit too close for it to be GSR. So I think it might be Type R gear. I'm not 100% sure, but it seems really close on first and second.
Okay.
But everything else is nice. So it has the OEM LSD, so that's pretty cool.
Really nice. Should go on this side, take more patch on. Check out more of the interior.
So they got the wing painted and everything. So
Yeah.
you know what's crazy? I managed to find ultra smart blood wires.
Oh wow, okay.
I have like 2 sets at home right now. Anytime I see them, I just pick them up because I'm not gonna see them again.
Smell the carpet shampoo.
Yeah, that stuff works really well.
Yeah, the signature smell for it. Yep. Cool.
It has NSX calipers that I had at home left over because my dad took them off his old NSX when he upgraded the brakes. So I have the front ones and the rear ones off an NA1 NSX.
The details.
Yeah, I had to make custom brackets for the rear. I had to get those, and then yeah, I had to get some stuff to make it work, but stops like really well.
Nice. Oh, I'm sure. Very cool. Any other details or anything that you want to?
I mean, the whole suspension's been rebuilt with energy suspension bushings, so
Okay.
yeah.
Very cool. Nice, man. Thanks for showing me the car.
Yeah.
It's coming along a long way. Really happy to see it where it's at.
The body shop's done a lot of good stuff to it. All the body lines are all nice now.
Cool.
Really happy with how it turned out.
Sweet. Congrats.
Thanks.
One pair of pants later.
This is obviously the next morning. I'm back safe and sound here in Las Vegas. Didn't record by the time I got back into town yesterday. Sun was already going down. I was just tired. Just wanted to get settled back in. But anyways, car is really filthy. I'm going to wash it in a second. You don't need to see video on that, obviously. But yeah, car hasn't been washed since before SEMA. So it's been about a month and a half now. But did bring back some goodies for a couple people. Have a set of 18-inch T37 SLs for one of my local customers here. Thanks for ordering. So your wheels here are here safe and sound. And behind here is an aim gain wide body kit. Now I'm not going to tell you what car this is for, but if you look at the bumper, you can kind of tell there's a full wide body kit that fit yes and the XB along with all this other stuff that you see here. So yeah, if you want to take a guess, go ahead and leave a comment down below what wide body kit this for. If you're what wide body kit this car is for, and if you're looking for anything from Aim Gain or any other Japanese brand products, definitely hit me up. Contact info is right over there. Also, M2 Motor is also a Garage Unique USA. So yeah, if you need anything, just definitely hit me up. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching and following along on my trip to LA on picking up a lot of these parts. Sorry I didn't get to film most of it. Just was really hectic just trying to get stuff done. But yeah, have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope everybody has a safe holiday weekend. Remember, don't drink and drive or do anything stupid. Until next time, you guys take care. Thank you so much for watching.